Get ready for an exhilarating journey as we dive into the 2025 Chevrolet SS Nova 396, a car that redefines classic power and modern sophistication. Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews. The exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet SS Nova 396 is nothing short of breathtaking. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 396 cubic-inch V8 engine, a powerhouse delivering an impressive 475 horsepower. This iconic beast is engineered to dominate the road with raw power and precision. Up front, the bold grille and LED headlights give the car an aggressive stance, blending modern design with a nod to its legendary heritage. The bumper is sculpted to perfection, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining the vehicle's robust appeal. The 19-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, add a dynamic touch, offering both style and functionality. Moving along the side, the sleek lines and sculpted body panels create a sense of motion, even when the car is stationary. The side glass is framed with chrome accents, giving it a refined yet sporty character. At the back, the Nova features stunning LED taillights and a dual exhaust system that screams performance. The trunk lid spoiler and bold badging pay homage to its muscle car legacy. Door handles are flush with the body, adding a modern and seamless design element. The SS Nova 396 is a perfect blend of muscle car nostalgia and 21st century innovation. Step inside, and the interior welcomes you with a fusion of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is meticulously designed, featuring soft-touch materials and an intuitive layout. The centerpiece is a 12-inch touchscreen LCD that seamlessly integrates with navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The side doors are adorned with premium leather and chrome accents, housing powerful speakers for an immersive audio experience. The gear selector is ergonomically placed, adding a sporty vibe to the cabin. A push-start button brings the beast to life with just a touch. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features multifunctional controls, providing a perfect balance of luxury and practicality. The front seats are well bolstered for support during spirited drives, while the rear seats offer ample legroom and headspace, ensuring passenger comfort. Between the rear seats, a foldable table adds a touch of convenience, perfect for long trips or on-the-go work sessions. Cargo space is generous, making this car as practical as it is thrilling. The 2025 Chevrolet SS Nova 396 is designed to cater to drivers and passengers alike, delivering a premium experience inside and out. Priced at around $55,000, the 2025 Chevrolet SS Nova 396 offers exceptional value for its performance, design, and features. This is a car that not only excites, but also delivers practicality for everyday use. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet SS Nova 396 is the ultimate blend of classic muscle and modern innovation, a car designed to thrill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Ride Ready Reviews for more amazing automotive content.